All right, so let's do this where we're going to do a full page above the fold with gradient. And I'm just going to make my main content area. And if I wanted to, I could give it an ID of above the fold, but main should be fine. So for HTML, body, main, div, just because I'll probably have one of those, I'm going to do content padding, 0, border, 0, margin, 0, box sizing, border box. And then for main, I'm going to do height, 100 viewport heights, and display, flex, direction, it can be row or column, flex, wrap, no wrap, and that's all. Those are the defaults. And justify content is going to center it horizontally. Justify content works on the primary axis, which is a row in this case. And align items works on the cross axis, which in this case is a column, so centers vertically. And then I just want background color linear gradient. That doesn't look right. So I gotta go look that up. Oh, thank you. Background image. Background image, linear gradient, and then I just put an RGB here, colors, and so I could go from what's a sunset looking color? I could go from blue to sunset is like blue to like orange, yellow. Let's look at sunset. Sunset colors. So it's like a dark red to yellow, to orange to yellow, or a rust red to orange to yellow. So red, that's it. Orange, yellow. Those are all my choices. That will work. So let's just look at that. And now I need just some text. Hello. Beautiful Italy. And I can format that. Make that an H1, I guess. And make this H1. And then I said I want some other stuff down below it. UL, LI, content, 100 of those. And if that went a little bit fast for you, there's the code. And now just look at this. And if I wanted to include something below the fold, like background color below the fold, I could do that maybe on body. A little bit of a weird break right there. Or I could have done this entire thing up here, maybe. And then just added yellow, 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 white. Maybe take out a little of that yellow. What happens if I take out one more yellow? That's nice. Did that help anybody? Thinking about that? I really love the bold above the fold design. So do you want me to leave this code up for a couple minutes so you can play with it? Yeah. Okay, so for anybody watching this video online, you can find all the code at GitHub, goes to 11, and then go into repositories and go into HTML CSS Bootcamp, and that's where all the code's at. And right now the code we're looking at is in the 00 temp, 09 spring, 034 gradient.